Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door, and I am back with that much requested DIY Dollar Tree wreath video. And I want to take the time really quick to thank everybody who just gave me the nicest comments, most wonderful feedback, and just loved the DIY shutter that I shared with you guys yesterday. I had no idea it was gonna be such a hit. So thank you so much. You guys totally make it worth this. I will be doing other versions. I did get enough requests for new ones, and I've already got a ton of ideas in my head, so stick around for those. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it before the holidays end just because I already have a lot of things planned, but I already have tons of styles in my head already, so stay tuned. Alright, so before I get started, I just wanted to let you know that you can do this in any style you want. There are so many beautiful poinsettias and little floral bushes this holiday season at the Dollar Tree, as I'm showing you right here. Look at those two-tone poinsettias. I absolutely love those. And they even have dark purple looking berries. They also have a lot of new picks that you can use as well. So the possibilities here are endless. Okay, you guys, so I picked two of these wreaths from my local Dollar Tree. Now, these are 18-inch wreaths. Now, the trick to this is using 2 for 1 wreath because they're a little skinny. But if you attach 2 of them, you're going to see how big and full it's going to get. And all you got to do is get some floral wire and just tie them together really tight. And then you just start fluffing it. And here you can kind of see what one side looks like fluffed and the other side not fluffed. All right, so after you picked out what the kind of picks that you want for your wreath, you're going to want to cut them off the bushes into single stems like this. And before you do anything permanent, you are going to want to just lay them all over your wreath to kind of, get the kind of layout or look that you want. And as you can see here, I kind of changed some things around. So after I have it all laid out and I like how it looks, then I start hot gluing all the individual pieces down onto the wreath. And then I just added different kinds of greenery here and there, all from Dollar Tree, again, just to give it a little bit more fullness. I think I used like 4 different bushes, but I didn't use absolutely everything from each bush. Alright, so yesterday I showed you this exact same wreath with a farmhouse bow at the top, but I wanted to give you guys another idea on how you can decorate it, especially if you like a little bit more of a winter wonderland kind of theme. Now, I just simply hung 1 glass ornament from the top, and I used a thin ribbon of burlap. And I decorated that little glass ornament with the same decals that I used for my candle holders that I made last year that were also Dollar Tree. If you have not seen that video, I'll go ahead and link it in the cards as well as my description box so you guys can check those out. Now, this bow that you see here is also made from Dollar Tree ribbon. It is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. However, I don't have any footage of me actually making this bow because I was watching a YouTube tutorial on how to make it because I totally suck at making bows. So I will link to that tutorial in my description box if you guys want to check it out, and hopefully next time I make a bow, I can actually film myself. Okay, so I'm going to ask, which version do you like, bow or ornament? Alright, and I know some of you have already recreated some of my projects and I would love to see them. So make sure you follow me on Instagram and tag me with your projects. I cannot wait to see what you guys have created already. And thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not yet done so. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.